So we think we found a good candidate for baskets, but it's got these big rolls of peeling bark, which wouldn't work out for what we want to do. So take that off and hope we end up with something in the end. Now, I would save all of this because there's no better fire starter going. This stuff is like burning pure oil. It's good. I'm going to peel this, and this tree here will end up as firewood if nothing else. Don't want to do this on other people's trees. It's my tree. So this is a little hook knife that I made for peeling birch. It's got a really sharp little blade, like fin of a shark. This curved side on the back, I've rounded that off so that I can use it like a barking spud or barking iron to get under it and help peel it off. Anyway, it hooks into the bark real nice, like a zipper. Tracks fairly straight. I'm flipping it over to use the rounded edge of it. Help me lever it off of the tree. You get a little cat's face here. It's where an old limb was. Sometimes you have to give it a little special attention. But this is peeling the way that I dream about bark peeling. It's just, hear that? It's just popping off. Birch trees are funny. They don't all peel this way at the same time. Peeling like this makes me want to go out and peel a bunch of these and make a wiki up or something. But I tried that trick once. Had a tree like this, and then I went out and managed to not find another one that would peel. Yeah, the whole thing just came right off. That's what we want. When the bark is loose like this and you can take the outer skin off without damaging the cambium layer here, this cambium layer will dry out because this is very waterproof. But what will happen is they will build another layer of birch bark underneath the cambium, and that tree will live.
But so if you cut further into it, it would probably...
Yeah, if you cut right into the wood, took the cambium off, it would be curtains for sure. But like I said before, I don't peel birch trees unless I'm willing to lose the tree, either for firewood or whatever. We've got a goodly amount of them. So anyway, we've got enough to play with. I think it's the right thickness. Alrighty. I guess we wander back yonder. You don't see them made like this much anymore. This is how they should be made.